welcome back again to our channel, and for today's video I'll be sharing with you another cooking episode, but it's gonna be an easy one, and if you want to know what it is, please keep on watching. And now I'm adding my white onion. And I'm also adding my tomatoes. And then we will season it with salt and pepper. And now it's time to squeeze some fresh lime juice to add some kick. And lastly, I'm adding my spring onion to finish it off, and our avocado salsa is ready. And mix it for one last time and we are done. We're done. Here's the avocado salsa that we made, and let's try it. Cheers! And that's our easy, yummy, and healthy avocado salsa. If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave your comments, requests, suggestions in the comment section down below. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!